Hi, I'm Dr. Druv and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a channel not on medicine, but on all the other aspects needed to live our medicine lives. Today, we're going to be talking about the concept of the classification of stocks. Now, stocks can be classified into various categories. We'll try to understand what it is, why it's important to know for physicians, and how we could utilize it. Essentially, let's start with the basics. Stocks are classified into two types, which is capitalization or style. Capitalization is based on their valuation in the market, and it's divided into small, mid, and large. So you'll hear in the investing space, you need a small value tilt. So you're essentially choosing a capitalization of small, value is the style, and it's a tilt as in more of your portfolio is in that small value companies. Now, we won't get into the nitty-gritty of that. So what are essentially the style of stocks, so growth stocks and value stocks? Growth stocks are stocks of companies that are expected to grow at a faster rate than the market as a whole. These companies reinvest their earnings into their business to fuel the growth rather than paying out dividends to their shareholders. On the other hand, value stocks, on the other hand, are stocks of companies that are undervalued in the market and trade at a lower price to their earnings, assets, or book value. These companies often pay out dividends to their shareholders and have a history of steady earnings growth. The other classification is capitalization, which is based on the evaluation. As you can see here, it is as large as 3 billion, which would under 3 billion, which would place it in the small, as large as above 10 billion, which would place it in the large category. Now, why is this important to know for physicians? Well, it's important to know for the purposes of risk mitigation. So for example, a physician who is risk averse may prefer value stocks because they typically have a lower volatility and offer steady dividends. On the other hand, a physician who's looking for higher returns may prefer growth stocks as they offer the potential for faster growth and higher returns. Another reason why it's important for physicians to understand this concept is that stock classification can help you create a well-diversified portfolio. By including both growth stocks and value stocks in your portfolio, you can reduce the overall risk of these investments and ensure that they're better protected for the future, and especially with regards to the volatility. How can a physician utilize this information to make informed financial decisions? Well, the first step is to educate yourself about the stock market and the different types of stocks available. As I said, I will be building these videos to describe various concepts involved in investing in general, especially in the index fund or stock market world. You can start by reading books, attending seminars, or taking online courses where I've spent thousands of dollars trying to understand this information. And now I'm on essentially a learning as well as a teaching spree. And this will help you get a better understanding of the stock market. Alternatively, if this is not something you want to learn and this is not a skill you want to build, then you can work with your financial advisor to create a personalized investment strategy that takes into account your goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. This advisor can help you determine the right mix of growth and value stocks and to include these in your portfolio based on your specific needs and circumstances. So hopefully this serves as a conclusion for the classification of stocks, which is the two main types that I'm covering here is capitalization based on their market value, or style, which is based on their value or growth. By taking time to educate yourselves about the stock market or working with a financial advisor, you can essentially be able to be a better passive physician investor. A few action items. If you'd like to follow the exact frameworks used by affluent physicians to take back control of their time and money, then check out the link in the description below. I make these videos because I'm passionate about fighting burnout in 10,000 physicians across this world, and this is kind of my legacy. And come and join my free community of like-minded physicians full of free resources like cheat sheets, calculators, and everything in between so that we can live our best medicine lives. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you for taking the time to take care of your patients, and I'll see you in the next episode.